The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello everybody, welcome to Unbox the Podcast. We're back after a week.
One week break.
So this is officially season
3 of the award-winning Unbox Podcast.
Oo nga, ganap na kami na award-winning show, di ba? So for this episode, it's kind of special. It's not just about gadgets. We have actually two special guests.
It's kind of about gadgets.
Yeah, about gadgets pa rin. Pero at least ngayon may face. So may ganun na may face. By the way, hindi yan si Alora. Baka iniisip niyo siya si Alora. Diba? So we're streaming live here from Beyond the Box in One Rockwell. Of course, courtesy of the New Media Factory. So game, let's introduce our special guest. So si Kim, right here to the person on my left, is actually the entrepreneur behind one of the most famous online shops in the country. Kim Store. As in, ang dami ko na nabili mula sa tindahan mo ever since nagsimula ka. From actually, camera, alos lahat eh, iPad, iPhone, nakabili na ako from your store. So, welcome Kim and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for the invite.
So, siguro to kick things off, baka pwede mo kwento, ano ba naisip mo? Tinayo mo yung Kim Store.
Para habang kumakain kami.
Parang ano ba yung beginnings ng Kim Store? Parang ano yung moment na naisip mo na parang, uy, magtayo nga ako ng tindahan ng gadget sa Multiply. Baka doon tayo pwede magsimula.
Okay. Well, actually, I started doing my business when I was in college, taking up marketing management. At first, hobby ko talaga is camera. So, I have a pool of friends. Mahilig rin kami sa cameras. Mahilig lang din kasi kami mag-canvas na saan makakabili ng murang lens, saan makakabili ng murang camera. Kasi kapag gadgets yung hilig mo, kumbaga
value for money.
Oh, value for money talaga para at least masulit mo yung gadget.
Lalo na Pinoy kasi ang Pinoy, di ba, very price sensitive.
Yes.
Tsaka gadget, hindi natatapos ng gastos eh.
Actually, forever may upgrade, ano?
Oo.
Kanya, sorry di ba yung S4, linabas nila. Pagkatapos na S4, may S4 Mini, may S4 Zoom, may S4 Active.
Yes.
Tsaka ang dami na nakapilang Android na bago na lalabas in the next few weeks, few months, di ba?
Right.
Okay. So, anyway, tuloy mo yung napakagandang kwento.
When I take pictures, I used to upload it in Multiply. So, yung Multiply more of, sabihin na natin parang journal ko. Kung ano yung experiences ko in college, I write it in Multiply. Kumbaga journal siya, then you upload pictures. So, sabihin na natin, I wanted to try selling. Pero syempre, at that age, at that time, college student ka, wala ka naman ding enough na capital to start your own business. Paano? Paano mo gagawin? Actually, it's really, sabihin na natin, suntok sa buwan. Paano mo sisimulahan? Wala ka naman din, kumbaga, experience. So, sabi ko na lang din, total, I have contacts or networks in Multiply. Why not try selling in Multiply? So, syempre, maraming mga inquiries, ganyan. Doon na nag-start.
Usong-uso pa yung Multiply nun. I mean, tsaka Friendster, di ba, at the time.
By the way, nagtrabaho ko dati sa Friendster. 6 months.
Kaya ata
Excuse me. 6 months lang naman ako nagtrabaho doon. But anyway, so doon ka nagsimula.
Yes.
So nung nagsisimula ka sa Kim Store, hindi ka ba nagulat na yung growth niya? Parang kailan ba ano yung point na biglang na-realize mo, shucks, pwede na talaga tong negosyo na to? Yung talagang ano ba yung one item na una mong binenta? Yung kumbaga first hit mo, ika nga.
Yung first transaction ko, yung friend ko yung bumili sa akin. At that time, excited ako. Sabi ko, wow, may benta na ako.
Per sale.
Officially.
So doon, parang na-challenge yung sarili ko na hindi lang naman pwedeng doon lang ako sa circle ko magbebenta. So, kailangan din i-expand mo. So, that's the time I tried to experiment. post different items in different groups, different blogs. So, napansin naman
Pero ano
nila.
pa nga was it just word of mouth or how did you promote it at the time? Kasi di pa naman ganun kalaki yung...
Oo. Hirap ka
Internet,
mag-marketing
dial-up pa yun
nun sa
I can
online.
say word of mouth. Tsaka syempre, yung word of mouth, ito yung pinaka-proof mo na talagang totoo, for real yung mga deals mo. Na-realize ko na lang na lumalaki yung business ko, ay, kumbaga, hindi ko na kaya as a one-person team.
But dati ba ikaw ba nagde-deliver? Hindi naman... Wow! Nagde-deliver ka?
Yes.
Wow,
Dati,
that's interesting.
Girlfriend ko dati bumili na rin sa'yo. College pa ako noon eh.
Siya yung sa kanya mismo?
Sa kanya talaga mismo.
Wow!
It was a Digicam na Sony na pink na Digicam.
At least you can say na you really did everything at the
Yeah.
start.
Actually, nagmi-meet up ako during breaks.
Sa mall.
Lumalabas ako sa Lasal.
sa
Then
top.
I normally do the meet up sa may McDo. Nagre-request ako sa client. Siyempre,
Wild!
May first-hand experience ako sa
Grabe!
Siyempre, pag mura, pupuntahan ka talaga.
Hindi ka ba kinakabahan na madami kang bit-bit na
Yun,
gadgets?
totoo. Tough pa yun.
Lakas na
Pa yun,
loob.
ha?
May
Wow.
dalawa pa
If you
rin.
really wanna earn, alam mo rin kasi yung risk na...
May kadena yung bag mo.
May kasama ka.
Wala.
Wow.
But
Pero
yourself.
yung kunyari may meet up ka, how many clients is that? Like 5 to 10?
Sa simula, 1 to 2, ganyan. Tapos, nung namamanage ko na mga 5 to 7.
Tinapos mo pa ba yung college mo?
Of course, kailangan.
Kasi moral kita ka na eh.
Lesson of the
More
day.
lesson.
Okay, pero ano yung... So nakwento mo sa friend mo yung una mo na benta. Pero ano yung item na pinakaunang, kumbaga yung naging sobrang sikat, yung kumbaga yung nag-drive ng sales mo? Ano yung first major item? Camera ba siya? Cellphone ba siya? Ano yung item na yun?
It was actually a DSLR. It's a Canon EOS 350D.
Oh, okay.
So doon nagsimula talaga nag-grow yung Kim Store.
Yes.
So it was really photography more than
So
cellphones.
did you have to buy the products that you were selling or was it parang consignment lang or you just got it from suppliers?
Sa simula talaga, buy and sell.
Yes.
Mindset.
When you have an order,
Gastos, ano?
when you have an order,
Paano kung di
saka
nila
mo
bilhin
nabibili.
kung mag-cancel sila?
It's another risk.
Patayan.
You have to sell it.
Patampot.
Ganun talaga ang
Ayun,
business.
sa ulo ka.
Pinapatampot ni Kim. Okay, pero grabe, it's paid off very well. Now you're very successful. You're multi-awarded. Naks, totoo yun.
Yes.
Kasi kung sa Go Negosyo, di ba? Tsaka Entrepreneur Magazine is one of the most recognized lady entrepreneurs na for online. So, baka moving forward, ngayon, di ba? Ngayon, ang dami ng smartphones eh.
Yes.
Masasabi mo bang mas mabenta pa rin ngayon ng camera o smartphones? Talaga may hawak ako McDo eh. Sorry nagsa-celebrate kami ng aming wins.
Hindi namin sponsor ang McDo.
Hindi namin sila sponsor, so babalik tayo ko yung box.
Pero pwede namin silang i-welcome.
Ano ba? Go.
Sa ngayon, admittedly, mas mataas yung sale for smartphones. Mainly because yung smartphones ngayon, talagang well-developed na siya.
Talaga.
Unlike
Sabihin na
before.
natin yung camera niya.
Okay. Totoo yun.
Yung, let's say, yung connectivity.
Okay.
Pero like how many gadgets do you go through every month or every year? Na, are you able to, like, how many are you able to sell?
Kaya na po ba i-disclose?
Hindi
Ano,
naman
ano,
just-
Hindi,
ano,
hindi, hindi.
Ano lang, ano yung different
Comfortable
types,
disclosing.
hindi actual number of
Sorry.
units.
Oo. From mobiles, cameras, tablets. Actually, right now, alam naman natin kung anong in ngayon, pero still you really have to make a study kung anong kailangan
Kung ano yung mas mamamayagpag na
yes.
model.
Kung ano yung mga kailangan. From units, now I'm also carrying accessories.
Nakita ko nga meron ka bagong case para sa iPhone 5.
Yeah.
Yung may kasama ng charger.
Yes. That's the flash battery case. Hindi ako
So you have how many employees now? Or
right now, I have above 10.
Wow.
mostly in delivery, ganun, or you also meet up with them?
Logistics, then sales. Tapos
Pero-
yung iba mga contact.
Pero do you still get orders personally na sa'yo magte-text sa mga
Ako, tinetext ko siya.
Siyempre, kakilala mo na.
Kim, magkano S for active? Magkano, kaya yung mga text ko palagi, magkano?
Pero kung before Metro Manila lang yung coverage, now nationwide ba? Or ano?
Nationwide. Hanggang Zamboanga may
Wow.
order sa amin.
Pero ano yung pinapaship mo na lang?
Oo.
Hindi, meet up pa rin yun.
Pupunta sila dito to pick the item up.
Pero very thankful kasi kahit papaano, those customers nationwide malaki din yung kumpiyansa or yung naging
Yes.
tiwala nila sa akin. And I'm very, very thankful.
Pag ganun sila kalayo, how do they pay you?
Bank transfer. Normally,
Bank
bank transfer or any money transfer agencies.
Okay.
Interesting. Grabe, ang laki ng growth ng business nyo. Naalala ko pa, Multiply. But speaking of Multiply, Multiply closed down. Di ba? May kailan yun? May ba yun? March.
How did you feel about that?
Di ka ba nagulat nang nag-close sa Multiply?
I think lahat naman tayo na-shock eh.
So walang prior notice sa inyo?
There is, pero at that time, bago na lang din isabihin sa public.
Kasi at that time, di ba,
So hindi siya
nagkaroon pa
weeks in advance?
Not really.
Nagkaroon pa sila ng rebranding to become, di ba,
An e-commerce
E-commerce.
shopping site, online
so parang,
shopping.
hindi mo akalain na biglang isasara after a year or a couple of months.
Pero nakatulong ba yung redesign nila? Kasi ang dami ko narinig from other people selling on Multiply, di daw nakatulong eh.
Actually, yung idea is very promising. Kasi isipin mo from a social networking site, magiging full e-commerce na siya. Full-fledged e-commerce. However, hindi lang siguro na-execute na maayos.
Hindi na-translate yung
Kasi alam mo,
vision.
may mga premium accounts ka pang di ba? So, did it affect your business or, I don't know.
I must say yes. It really affected in a good way, in a bad way.
Okay.
In a good way because...
In a good way, I was able to stand by myself. Kumbaga kasi iniisip nila na syempre kahit pa paano, top merchant ka ng Multiply, talagang sabihin natin hand to hand talagang partners kayo ng Multiply. Pero syempre kailangan mo rin kasi ng tiyaga sa pagbebenta, not because people know you, ganun lang. Syempre you can't be really you just can't rely on your popularity.
Yes.
Kailangan mo rin talagang magsikap.
So, pero ngayon, you have your own site.
Yes.
And, okay, the
My
site.
own site.
And are you on any other social media sites?
I'm very active in Facebook, Twitter, yan.
So, after Multiply, nakapag-transition ka naman na maayos.
Yes.
So, do people mostly reach you through Facebook or Twitter?
Oo eh.
Well,
Totoo. You can eat your candy. It's okay, it's okay.
Yung guest namin mamaya kumakain Kumakain din naman kami
Hindi, nagbabalat siya ng
We're
candy.
eating fries. Well, this is really the most professional thing to do, but you can eat your candy. Later, you'll see who
Who's our special guest?
Anyway, sorry, tanong natin. Medyo na-distract kami doon.
Apologies.
Everybody was laughing. Parang, what's the matter? Parang, anyway, so you were able to transition na. Ngayon, what are the most selling items ba for the brands? Okay lang ba ikwento mo yun? Which brand in particular yung pinaka-bumibenta?
Sige, sabihin mo kung anong brand.
for Samsung, I can say very impressive ang S4. From S3, iba yung dating ng S4 dito Parang well accepted na talaga siya na
Yung S3 ba, it took a while before siya mag-pick up?
at that time nung naglabas si S3, most of the Apple users, Apple pa rin Pero ngayon parang
may nagkakaroon ng switch.
Yeah.
Sobrang pro Apple yan
Hintayin nyo lang.
For tablets, syempre iPad pa rin talaga.
Syempre.
From iPad.
Meron pa ibang tablet?
Mga tablet,
Yung cheap
tablets.
iPhone.
Balita mo yun, di ba? Maglalabas daw sila ng cheap iPhone.
Ito-text ko nga si Kim once lumabas yun
Bibili ka ng cheap
Text
iPhone?
na lang
Oo
kita.
naman.
Paano kung plastic yung katawan?
Alam nga naman 5S bilhin ko, di ubus na pera ko. Hindi ko lang ng 5
So may nagsuswitch talaga from iPhone to Samsung for you. How about Sony? Sony doing well?
Yeah, Sony is doing well, especially the Xperia Z. For some reason,
Ay, pakita mo naman.
Maganda yung experience.
Meron siya Yay!
Ganda ng white no?
Ang ganda ng white, actually.
Diba? So yung Xperia Z bumibenta.
yeah.
Yung SP, hindi masyado.
Xperia SP, yung iba kasi,
Hindi na nila maintindihan, ang dami ng models no? So basta alam nila,
SP
Z yung flagship. Hindi kasi yung SP, murang LTE na phone. Mga nasa 14,000 lang yata siya So, mura siya na LTE.
Tsaka di Sony. Kasi
Oo.
Sony. Kasi meron din Huawei na cheaper na LTE.
Naalala ko yung
Huawei.
SP kasi somebody tweeted earlier, if I had a budget of 12,000, what's the best phone to buy? Yung reply ko sa kanya, dagdagan mo ng 2,000, bili ka ng SP
So hindi mo
para may
sinagot yung
LTE.
tanong niya.
Mag-ipon ka na lang, antay ka pa ng ilang araw, di ba? Or ilang buwan. At least yung nakuha mo, may LTE na. So I'm a huge fan of smart LTE, di ba? So yun talaga yun. Okay, so how about HTC? Is HTC still doing well?
yeah, may mga models na talagang nagmo-move. The HTC One.
On nga natin.
Yes.
Nakakaliw to eh. Gusto ko itong phone na to. Kahit wala siyang low LTE na smart, pinagtsatsagaan ko pa rin. Diba?
Tiyaga talaga ang tawag dun.
Oo, pero nakita mo yun ako, theme.
Ang ganda nga eh.
Diba? Ganda. Pero pa na, wala tayong taga-close up. O basta
But
tingnan mo
what
na
about
lang.
the local brands? Diba, we know that they're really making waves in the gadget industry.
Are you carrying any of the local brands? Star Mobile, Cherry Mobile,
O Plus actually.
O Plus?
Yeah.
Dapat
O Plus
carry mo
tabi.
Star Mobile.
Pwede rin. Usap na later.
Wala yung O+, wala yun.
Oo, so Star Mobile na lang. Maganda
Yeah.
telephone. Maganda after sales.
Nagka-issue yun, di ba?
Sobrang fanboy ko.
So, may problema pala ako sa after sales. Nakalimutan ko tanong
Night,
sikat.
diba? Star
Yung Night is
Yung Night.
already came out.
It's
in the
out.
market.
It's starting last Friday. Di ba?
Oh, 11,290. Sobrang panalo. Ako, I've tried a lot of smartphones na local. Siya yung actually pwede kong sabihin na gagamitin ko. And that says a lot, Kasi I change phones almost every
Every show.
show.
Every week.
Diba? Kasi parang every week na lang iba yung telepono ko eh. So, for me to say na it's something na I would actually use day to day. Palitan ko na lang yung theme. Gusto ko yung theme na to yung ginawa ko dyan. Okay na ako to.
Pero just in case, meron ba kayo exclusive brand na, like for example, Kim Store lang ang may hawak? Like cases?
Kim phone.
Well, actually, for cases meron. Crucell.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
I see.
Yan na, di ba?
Yes.
Pero do you have plans to like put up your own kiosk sa mall, or you just want it to be a purely online kind of business?
Actually, I think 3 years or 4 years back, I used to have a kiosk in St. Francis Square.
Sa Ortigas?
Yeah.
Wow, talaga?
Again, Mega Mall.
Pero,
Siyempre, interview ako, makaon ako.
No.
pero I decided to, sabihin natin, sara ko muna yon kasi hindi ko ma-manage. I was still
Sure.
studying. And then, at that time, OJT ko pa. So, medyo nahirapan ako.
Pero ngayon, I think okay na rin siya kasi kung malaki na naman ng volume.
Pero nung nag-OJT ka, sinasabi ko, mas malaki pakita ko sa inyo. Paano ba pinagsasabi? What do you know about business?
Pero alam mo yung fairness, Kim, ako, I'm very happy to know na sinaga mo, tinapos mo
To do.
sa your studies.
Napaka-important.
Napag-isipan mo bang mag-OJT
Kung ako yun, hindi ko tatapusin.
kahit you're already making good money with your business. So I think palakpakan naman natin si Kim Cano. That's very, very good.
We
And I
really have
hope
to make
that's-
a point that
Oo.
she's very, very young pa rin.
Oh, and that should serve as an example to a lot of our viewers, no? Na sometimes makakita lang silang konting, alam mo yun? Kasi yung konting kita, bigla ayaw na nila tapusin. Yung maganda kasi dito, nung tinapos mo, it shows commitment din eh. 'Di ba? More than the studies kasi it's also the act of yung para tatapusin ko to, ganyan. Yung ganong klaseng disiplina na dadala mo sa negosyo. So, malaking bagay yun. So, what are the, siguro pwede mo kwento sa amin, ano ba yung upcoming smartphone?
Parang fatherly advice.
Parang naman may CSR side tayo. Lagi na tayo nagsasabi gumastos mga tao
Upcoming
eh.
phones, okay. Yung anticipated ngayon, the S4 Active.
Yung waterproof.
Ang kalaban nito?
Hindi. Yung S4 Active, pwede mo yatang gamitin kahit underwater.
Okay.
Yan kasi pag ilublob mo sa tubig.
Yung touchscreen medyo erratic.
So it's really just water resistant pero not usable underwater. Yung ZR, which I'm actually reviewing right now, yun pwede sa ilalim ng
tubig.
So yun, the Activist one. What else?
Actually, there's a lot of lineup. Especially mga Lenovo, Huawei. Marami ring lalabas.
Yung Zoom, lalabas nyo rin?
Lumabas na siya actually.
Wow.
Oops!
Pero I have to ask, buhay pa ba ang SLR industry?
Oo naman.
Meron pa rin siya. I mean, of course, nagkaroon siya ng boom like 2 or 3 years back. Pero parang recently...
Pero actually, pag nasa community ka, ng mga photographers, nandun pa rin.
Bagay, I guess established source ka na of
I can
their
say
equipment.
it may be a niche na lang din.
Ng SLR.
Just
Yeah.
became mainstream
Ako
for a
kailangan ko
while.
para pang picture ng gadget pag magre-review. Mag-set up nga ako na parang home studio. Tagal ko ng pangarap.
Alam mo naman magazine. Ano kung ba kartulina lang yun? Tsaka desk
Hindi, may
lamp?
nakita ko yung yung dome. Tapos lagyan mo ng ilaw.
Sige.
Basta gagawin ko yun. Pag nag-picture ako sa unbox, maganda na siya. Wow. But anyway, so baka may gusto ka ibang i-announce or ikwento, or is that it? They should just expect the S4 Zoom and Active. Active and Zoom.
I'm just going to promote my site.
Go.
Yeah.
Sure.
Guys, Kim Store. Our new website is kim.com.ph. Check nyo na lang for the latest announcements and of course, latest announcements.
Alam mo, swerte mo
Sa Facebook and Twitter.
Nakuha mo yung domain na yun.
Oo nga eh.
Diba?
Kim.com.ph.
I think it's now the time na, kumbaga, pakilala ko naman si Kim.
No.
I see.
Pero do you sell other things aside from gadgets, or have you diversified into like, I don't know, fashion stuff, or I'm sure that's big
yata sa
online.
DNA niya yun eh.
Depends. Marami kasing possibility eh.
Okay, pero as of now, ganun pa rin, the old lineup.
Okay. With that, thank you very much, Kim, for joining us on the show. Maraming salamat. So, palakpakan natin. Yay! Diba? So, guys, check her out on kim.com.ph. Check her out also on Facebook. Kim Store, magkadikit na.
Yes.
Facebook.com/KimStore.
Kimstore.
On Twitter,
Actually, facebook.com/KimStorePH.
KimStorePH. That's on Twitter, it's KimStore.
KimStorePH also.
KimStorePH. So, huwag kayo mapunta sa mga fake accounts kasi meron yata eh.
Yeah.
May mga kumukopya na accounts. So, huwag yun.
Politic na fake accounts yan.
So with that, again, thank you. We'll do a video.
To introduce our next guest.
Before the video, we actually have a new guest coming in. But to introduce our next guest, meron kami isang video, one of our famous videos, pero meron pang mas famous na ipapakita namin later. So this is yung Hindi, isa lang muna. So this is a video of Miss Donalyn.
살지만 누가 뭐래도 내꺼 다른 여자랑 말도 섞지만 난 니꺼 새끼손가락 걸고 꼭 약속해줘요 절대 나 혼자 내버려두지 않기로 일거기나 귀요미 이떡이나 귀요미 랑거기다 막 귀요미 귀요미 딴속이 나도 귀요미 오덕이 오도 귀요미 육덕이 육은 귀요미 난 귀요미
Yay! Okay, we're here right now with Donalyn Bartolome.
Of course, Alora is back.
Oh, Alora is here. Hindi yan si Kim.
Diyan si Alora.
Katabunan.
Okay, so si Donalyn, of course, is one of the fastest rising or talagang recent na pala or fastest YouTube sensations.
Yes, meron na tayong official YouTube sensation.
Correct, diba? And yung mga videos niya, hindi katulad ng Unbox Podcast. So, umaabot ng hundreds of thousands, diba, of views. So, Donalyn, baka pwede mo quickly kwento sa amin na paano ka ba nagsimula dyan sa YouTube, diba? Saan ka ba galing? Kasi, hindi alam mo ako, I'll be honest first time na meet kita or nakita kita was during the Star Mobile launch. And nung nakita kita, parang, sino siya? Tapos sabi nila, Donalyn Bartolome. So, syempre, since we live in the age of YouTube, diba, ay mobile phone, sa YouTube kagad ako. Tapos nakita ko yung Cup Song video mo. Tapos bigla nakita ko, medyo madami. Di lang medyo, 700,000 views. Pero what even talaga surprised me was yung reaction ng mga tao around yung fans mo. Talagang, di ba,
May mga banner pa sila.
And they're really just shouting.
There was a time I was working for a TV network. So alam ko how fans are. And yung fans mo, rabid. Yun yung tawag namin dyan. Yung talagang yung gano'n.
Kaya laki ng bodyguard na kasama eh.
You're a big bodyguard.
She's the bodyguard.
So Donna, since sobra kami na curious, baka yun, you can start there. Pwede mo kwento sa amin.
Alam ko yung mga nanonood, alam na tong story nito kasi many times I told people about it already. Pero nagsimula po ako as just recording myself to send to my friends. Kasi po, umaalis po ako ng bansa, nag-move po ako because my dad's in the Navy. So, hindi po...
Your dad is still in the Navy?
Yes, hanggang ngayon po. So, ayun po, parang ang way ko po na parang hindi nila ako ma-miss, mag-upload ako ng video sa YouTube. Tapos, i-send ko yung link sa kanila. Hi guys, nandito ako. Ito yung ginagawa ko and I'm singing because that's what I do every day. Parang to entertain my friends. Tapos ayun, hanggang sa pinanood na po ng marami, parang natuwa na rin po sila. So, hindi ko po in-expect na magugustuhan siya ng karamihan, ng madlang people.
Madlang people. I like the term.
Pero yung ano sa...
Dami tayong fans doon.
Opo, pero una po talaga sa friends lang until... ayun
When was
nga po.
this? When was this?
Ano po, siguro 3 years ago na
3 years ago
Opo.
na.
Pero a year ago po, hindi pa po masyadong ganun ka-crazy.
Oo.
Pero nung last summer, yun,
Doon naging wild.
Doon yung parang, oh my
Nag-boom
gosh.
lahat.
Oo, doon lahat. Parang mabilisan.
Sobrang dami. Grabe talaga.
Nagsisigawan sila eh. Pero what was the one video na kumbaga catapult sa'yo to stardom?
Yo, one of the most popular.
I think yung Gangnam Style po yung nag-start ng lahat.
Ay, shucks, dapat yung pala yung pinakita ko.
Hindi ka nabasa ng script eh.
Ano po?
Iba yung video namin eh.
Yung Giyumi po, yun din po. Yung parang sa kanila. Because they thought it's something different. Kasi, I think, sa narinig ko from my friends, yung ibang Giyumi videos, the girls are all filled with makeup. And what I did was, parang nakapambahay lang ako and I just woke up.
Very natural.
I tried something different.
Ginaya ka na nila Alodia Gosing Cloud.
Pero yeah, I tried something different po. And nagustuhan naman po ng marami. So, yun po.
So,
Paano ka nakuha ng Star Mobile?
ayun,
When was this?
Pwede natin i-segue.
She's
One of the endorsers of Star Mobile.
Mobile.
Whereas the other one is Vice Ganda.
Vice Ganda, yeah.
Apo. Ano po kasi, they're looking for a crazy girl sa Star Mobile. Yung natural po sa kanya yung crazy because of the commercial.
Medyo crazy ka nga.
Yeah. They watched the video of me and my brother na gumagawa kami ng film, but they watched the bloopers, I guess. So yung director, nakita niya doon that I was slapping my brother, I was screaming, parang,
Kaya pala crazy.
Gawin mo naman ng maayos, yung parang ganun yung acting ko sa kanya. And they needed someone like that, naturally, for the commercial. So that's how they found me.
Oh, speaking of the commercial, baka we can show it first before we continue.
Ready na ba? Kakabigyan mo lang mo.
Hindi, yun yung
Ayun
pop
na,
song.
kaka-
Commercial tayo. Let's show the commercial.
Opo, 15 hours yun.
You shoot?
Yes.
For that?
How
Opo,
many seconds ang yun?
30 seconds.
Samantalang kami
Ang
dito,
hirap po.
nag-uumbuyan lang kami.
Oh my God, 15 hours?
15 hours po. Mga 10 p.m. to 1 p.m. the next day.
Wow.
So, yung puyatan yung nangyari
Buti
sa
naman may energy ka pa para
Ay, sa camera po may energy.
Pero pagkatapos,
Tapos leche kayo! Uwi niyo na ako!
tinuturukan na yun ng Red Bull.
Totoo yun. Yung itsura ko talaga nagaganon na ako. Nakakatulog na po ako nakaupo. Kahit walang sandalan.
Pero at least the TVC is already airing, di ba?
Opo.
So lumalabas
Tsaka
na
the
siya.
experience, grabe. Nakakatawa.
Nag-enjoy ka naman.
Opo, sobra.
Oh, here's to hoping meron pa. Madami
Opo,
pa.
meron pa po.
I'm sure meron na yan. She's not saying lang.
Ano parang bitin yun? Wala bang part 2 or part 3
Meron
yun?
po yun kasi Starla meets Rich, part 1. Syempre may ligawan pa po dyang mangyayari.
It's a series.
It's a series.
Opo.
So magiging series yun, tapos sunod season na yun.
I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to say that.
Alam mo,
Pero nilagay naman po part 1 eh. So,
Yeah.
alam mo lagi
yeah,
ginagawa ni
yeah.
Kat yan. Marami na
po
siyang
yun.
hindi dapat sabihin dito.
Oh,
Nasasabi niya.
So it's not just her. It's Kat also
Nagmana lang po ako kay Miss Kat.
Palala ko yun kwento ko lang no, yung first time pumunta, yung second time pumunta sa Star Mobile dito, dala-dala niya yung Star Mobile Night. Pero hindi dapat niya ipapakita eh.
Pinakita niya sa amin.
Biglang
Pinakita niya sa amin.
Tapos ano yung cue ko nun, tapos na yung show, sabi ko parang, so wala na ba iba dyan? Biglang,
Ito
sige na nga! Nagpapilit ka pa eh, no?
And she said, she told us the name already, di ba?
After the show, naghuhulaan tayo dito.
Miss Kat, di mo ako pwedeng pagalitan.
Mamaya sabi niya, asan na yung night?
Hoy!
Dinalaman na natin yun eh.
Yun nga.
Diba? Dinidefend ka namin.
Hindi mo ako
Pero
pwedeng
dun sa commercial, ano yung hawak mong phone?
Ito po yung hawak mong phone.
The V3.
Ito po yung ginaganon ko doon ng tinidor.
5.3 inches, right?
Opo. Ito. I love using it for Instagram. Puro Instagram yung ginagawa ko dito.
Talagang tinitingin ko rin yung account
Opo,
niya.
ayan po.
Ano bang baka pwede mo i-plug na yung Instagram or Twitter accounts mo rin for?
Yung
I'm sure yung
Donalyn
viewers na.
Bartolome po.
Yun yung sa Instagram.
Opo.
Sa Twitter,
Sa Twitter po, at DJB Donna.
ba't DJB?
Donalyn Reyes Bartolome po.
Sige.
Okay. Ay.
Donalyn Reyes Bartolome Donna.
Akala ko may DJ Dreams ka
Hindi
eh.
po kasi parang DJB Donna na lang. Yung gano'n na lang.
She has 167.1 thousand followers.
My goodness.
Ay, salamat po sa mga followers ko dyan. Hello.
Ganun pa eh.
Ganun.
Doon nga lang po ako nakapag-post. Hindi ako mapaglagin sa Facebook eh. Kasi yung password ko kahaba-haba.
Hindi ka siya dyan.
Opo, hindi ko maano.
Hindi ka ba nalalakihan dyan sa Diamond V3?
Actually, tama lang po siya sa akin kasi tamad po ako kapag maliit. Kaya sa mga tamad po dyan, ito yung phone niyo.
Oh my God.
Pero mas bagay sa'yo yung night.
Parang
Oo nga po, Miss Kat!
Ayan.
ang bayad ba sa'yo? Cellphone na?
Uy, dapat bigyan naman to.
Kat!
Kat, yung night. It looks super nice. Yung night.
manipis siya. Pero
It's really like the iPhone.
how do you use ba, ano may mga favorite features mo sa Diamond
po.
V3? Ano ba yung padalas mong gamitin dyan?
Yun nga po, Instagram po, tsaka yung Twitter. Facebook not much.
So more for Twitter and
Opo,
Instagram.
yun po talaga yung
Ang
gagamitin
dami
ko.
yung hindi na masyadong nag-Facebook.
Facebook. Nagsishift na
Opo,
talaga.
parang doon na po.
O mga kids, parang ako.
Yun eh.
Paul.
Galing magsinungaling niya, no?
Grabe tong show na to. No?
Oo nga. Anyway, before we move on, we have a copy already of the video na one of your famous ones, no? Yung
the
Cup
Cup
Song.
Song.
So baka we can play it so that the people can go.
Hey there everyone, so this is gonna be the perfect one. Okay, so yeah, here it goes. I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way around. Don't know what the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Yes. Bye. Oh, please follow me on Twitter at DJBDonna. Eliminate my posters. Bye.
Yes,
Kasi tignan po siya yung may 8-minute version po yun eh. Yung I
Wow.
keep messing up. Ayoko patayin kasi I have no time. Tapos yun na po, I made the perfect one.
So that's why...
Yung parang, yung pagkagano ko, yes!
By the way, yung
Finally.
that song is from Pitch Perfect.
Opo.
Yun yung pangalang movie. Ang ganda siya. Ano din
Ay,
yun?
Yeah.
Paano mo nalaman na may talent ka gano'n?
Oo nga.
Ang hirap yun ah.
Ano po, oo nga, mahirap po, parang matagal na
Tsaka while
practice
singing
din.
eh.
Opo, matagal na practice. Tsaka facial expressions din po para convincing. Kaya
Kaya mo,
mahirap
Pao?
po.
Pero grabe at such a conscious ka na sa mga ganyan.
Opo,
That's
parang,
amazing,
tsaka challenging po. Next ko mga po siguro yung knife song eh. Kaso,
Knife song?
Wow.
ayoko po
goodness.
ata nga nahinto eh.
Dayo na, dayo. Crazy
The
na.
knife song.
Crazy nga, crazy.
I mean, I'd rather be crazy than just another pretty face.
Pero grabe na ito. Kung totoo
Oo,
sino yun.
yung parang napanood niyo po ba yun?
Yung-
Yung knife song. Well, I guess you just have to watch out for it.
That's for That's for kids nga.
So,
So hindi ka you're not
pa.
you're not a young person.
Sa'yo po,
anymore.
Ako napanood ko na yun, pabata ba?
Yes, I would say yes.
dito yung mga sinungaling. Diba?
In denial po.
Oo nga, mga in denial.
Wait.
Oh,
Lagot ako
eh.
Sige, wala
mamaya
yan.
outcome dito.
Diba? Okay, so anyway, so we'll expect part 2 tsaka part 3 pa nung video
Video.
for Star Mobile.
Opo.
So, sino yung... Pero may pangalan ka daw dun na Starla.
Starla po yung name ko. Kasi di ba po, reach for the star. And yung guy po doon, pangalan niya Rich. And then the girl's name Starla.
Ooh,
So,
sino kayo
Rich.
And Starla.
Parang iba yung dating ng Starla eh. No?
Starla.
Parang pang 80s na artista.
Starla.
Sikat ba nag-isip nun?
Hindi ko po alam.
Kumaka-copywriter.
Pero what else?
Elijah.
May endorsement ka na, you're on YouTube. Are you going to be on TV soon or anything? You're
Well, I
recording
can only
an
hope.
album?
I can only hope po. Pero yung album po, that might be coming up. Medyo na-delay ng konti, pero we're working on it.
Hindi ba natin siya
Definitely
papakantayin?
one.
Oo, dapat.
Sample.
O baka naman yung song, baka you can para naman as a treat to our viewers.
Ano bang,
Wala ba kayong mga baso niya?
song? Song po. Naku. Ano bang song? What song, guys?
Gangnam Style. Joke lang.
Secret muna po.
Secret muna?
Yeah.
Paano secret muna?
Ay, yung ano po, yung...
Baka pirata kasi yung ano
kanta.
natin.
Yung kanta po sa Star Mobile yun.
Oh, sige, yun na lang.
Sige.
Paki-close up sa mukha niyo.
Go.
Sige pa. I know you think when you see me, my life ain't nothing but lights, camera, TV. I got someone worth more than all that. Don't need to check out all the rest. When I'm at my worst or at my best, I know you love me for me. Na lang muna.
Tapos na.
Galing. Grabe. Dapat talaga kunin ka na smart.
Smart
Oh.
talaga.
Siya ba?
film coming out soon.
Yeah.
A phone?
We film
Film.
po.
A film?
Ano ka sine?
Oh.
Anong sine?
Ano, wala pa po. I think they're still negotiating.
Negotiating.
Sa ano, pero meron na
say
po.
who, but it's a big chain.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, I hope.
Pang ano
po
ba
siya?
yan? MMF?
Parang indie film support.
Don't forget us.
Oh,
Get really,
Kung
really.
kailangan mo mga extra, yung mga yung mga nababaril sa background, gano'n.
Ito pwedeng kapatid mo.
Sige po.
Kapatid. So, syempre, kinilig naman si Lori. Kapatid.
Much older.
No, yeah.
Kumbaga si Alora nasa first family na ano, tapos...
Gagi ka! No, I said gagi. That's different. I didn't say gagi.
Oh, anyway. So, siguro we can probably go to the next item. Pero thank you very much for joining us
Thank you.
tonight. It was very nice to have you. And Star Mobile is very lucky to have you. And Smart will be lucky to have you. Hinungkin na eh.
Oh, I'm
Smart, you. Oh, diba? Nanonood kasi sila eh. So, dapat, you. 160,000 plus followers.
No, that's her low page. She has 740,000 on her personal page, 314,000 on one of her fan pages.
I didn't post it on
500
Facebook.
fan-made pages with over 1 billion likes.
I think Kat said that she has more than a million in total
So,
followers.
no, just from 2 of her pages.
Just two?
I don't know if our viewers heard that, but she has over 1 billion likes on YouTube.
Between
Between
500 fan-made pages.
Okay, like 500 different pages. With all
Sana kung bayaran ka nila lahat ng piso, no? Pwede ka na mag-retire. Dollar na lang, $1 billion. Each like equals $1. $1 billion.
Wala ka bang komisyon sa mga nabibenta ng Star Moment?
Oo, dapat. Anyway, baka you can invite our viewers to find you on your social networking accounts, or if you have, this sounds so cliche, if you have any gigs that you want to promote, go.
I actually have no idea of my schedule. Bigla lang po ako ng mga managers ko. They're just like, hey, get up, you gotta go. Kaya, hindi ko po alam. I'll just post on my page. Please follow me on Twitter at DJBDonna. Eliminate my posters. And for Facebook, facebook.com/donnalyn.bartolome1. That's DONNA. Wait lang, hihining ako. DONNALYN.BARTOLOME1. Okay, yun lang po. And, meron pa ba?
Instagram.
No? Instagram, Donnalyn Bartolome. Yun lang po.
Email.
Wow.
Email po. Ayun na,
Landline.
Ito po pala, may email po pala. requestdonna@gmail.com. Doon niyo po ako.
So pwede sila mag-request.
Message for requests or inquiries.
Home address.
Opo.
Kami magpapadala
Curious lang ako
ng flowers.
Curious how before we let you go, no? How old are you?
Yan, kaya hindi
Ano
ako
ba?
iniisip itanong eh.
Wala, ano po?
Just turned 18.
Hindi, si Alora kasi 40 na yan, pero hindi naman.
18?
Patay ka sa akin mamaya.
Lago.
Friendship over.
Ang hirap na nasa gitna.
Oo nga eh. Are you 18?
Ano, hindi po. I just turned 19 nung Tuesday po. Yeah, last Tuesday, yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
You know what? She looks really young.
Yeah.
When we first saw
My
you,
advantage.
parang mga 16 years old or something.
Yeah.
Sa
I
totoo lang,
thought she was
sabihin ko sana
16.
14 eh.
Opo, mukha nga po.
For-
Kaya to fool
But she's
people,
not- she doesn't-
I have to put makeup para magmukhang 19.
May magpo pa kami
Kabalik ka
Ang
lang. Siya nagme-makeup para maging mature.
Pero pa kaming French fries dyan.
Yung iba nag-makeup para bumata.
Oo.
Okay, so with that, baka we can play the TVC again of Star Mobile para naman ano. Thank you, Donna, for
Thank
you.
I thought we were just getting started.
Pwede ka kumanta ulit.
Sige po, salamat.
Thank you very
for
much.
inviting me.
Thank
Hey there everyone, so this is gonna be the perfect one. Okay, so yeah, here it goes. I got my ticket for the long way round, 2 bottles of whiskey for the way, and I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way around. Don't know what the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Yes. Bye. Oh, please follow me on Twitter at DJBDonna. Eliminate my posters. Bye.
Okay, hindi pa po tayo tapos mga kapatid. Ay,
Parang
hindi na
dami
pala ako
natin.
TV5. Kapatid, kapamilya, kapuso. Okay, yan. Wala na ako sa TV5 eh.
Yan.
So,
Pamilya Globe yun.
ay, ganun ba? Ayaw nga pala. Ay, pero maraming taga Channel 2 naman na okay.
Kapamilya.
Okay. But anyway, we have with us Mike Palacios. Palakpakan naman si Mike. Yay! So, para naman makompleto natin yung unbox with the gadget. Kasi wala pa tayo pinag-uusapang gadget today. So, Mike is here to tell us about the Sona Xperia Tablet Z. So, take it away, Mike.
Yeah, so I got this beauty about a week ago. And it's basically the latest, kind of high-end Android tablet. And if you've been watching Sony and the Xperia revolution, I guess, of the last year, this is just the latest in, I guess, what has kind of been a design resurgence for them. It's super thin. It's one of the thinnest tablets I've seen.
Grabe.
Yeah. Wow. I mean, when I'm holding this up and I'm reading comic books, it feels like you're reading basically parang just two comic books stitched together. Parang it's that thin. It has a great display.
That's 10 inches, no?
Yep. And just like a lot of the other phones in the Xperia line, it is waterproof. Let's not try it today, though. I have tried to wash it. There's one review that calls it the world's most expensive shower radio. But it's wonderful. I've used it for a week, and I've had an Android tablet forever. I started with the Nexus 7. And I departed iPad with the Nexus 7, and this is kind of my third Android tablet. And it's, I think when you're looking at kind of like the high-end Android tablets, it's a little bit of slim pickings right now.
Yes.
There are not a lot of options. I think
you can just choose in your fingers.
Yeah. But I mean, a lot of the focus of Android, I mean, understandably has been in like the 7,000 to 15,000 peso range. But if you're looking for a tablet that is like super high-end, it's just Apple and a couple of other players. So this one I think is a really legit contender. I've been using it for a week. And
how have been, ano yung usage patterns mo? Is it more for movies, for games?
I really use a tablet like it's a media consumption device. So I watch a lot of movies. Watch your podcast. Watch a bunch of podcasts.
Makes one of you.
One among many. I hear. I watch a lot of movies and I read a lot of comic books on it. And for all of these things, it's pretty good because it's light. I think. I remember when I was using it. When I was using the iPad 3 was my last iPad. It was really thick. That was my problem. So when you're kind of holding it up, reading comics for a long time, your fingers start to get a little tired.
Yeah. So you're okay with the kind of the screen, yung measurement?
For me, it's okay. I mean, comics look really good on it.
So this thing really looks just like a pane of glass.
Yep.
There's really nothing else to it.
Yeah.
Which is really nice.
Yeah. There are some things that I think could be better. For example, I think the version of Android that's on it, it's Jelly Bean already, but not the super duper latest version of Jelly Bean.
So 4.1.
It's 4.1.1, I think. And so I guess that part of it could be better. The skin of Android that's on top of it, although it's very efficient and it looks kind of very aesthetically pleasing.
Makita mo naman sa camera.
It's very aesthetically pleasing. I think one of the issues with it is it still kind of looks like honeycomb. So even though under the hood it's totally Jelly Bean, it's very quick. It has Project Butter all over it, to make it great. But I think for the first time, this is the first time we've really seen a tablet come out that's especially coming out of Sony and saying, "Wow, they're finally getting their hardware act together." Parang as a top-flight device, as opposed, to kind of set themselves apart, differentiate them from the rest of the players out there.
Actually, sabi lang ni Kim earlier, yung Sony Xperia Z, is selling well. So I guess that's a testimony to the design, siguro success ng Sony with the recent products. Actually, may tawag sila dyan sa ano na yan eh. Yung ganyang klaseng design na manipis, it's called omni-balance. Research kayo. So yung
marketing speed.
Yung ganyang klaseng in other words, for manipis at magaan, omni-balance.
It's a perfect paint for comic books too. So if you look very closely at it, parang it's regardless of what what app you're using to play around with it, it works quite well for it. So overall, I think these Android tablets have finally come into their own. Parang last year, I think the Nexus 7 was kind of a turning point for them. Parang pre-Nexus 7, you had to make a lot of compromises if you were going to go tablet on Android.
Especially nothing of that size at the time.
Yeah, that's true. But now, dude, it's there are very few compromises now. I think even the app environment is much improved.
But still, malayo pa from the iPad.
Oh yeah, dude.
Pagdating apps.
One area where there's a lot of gaps, I think, sa app space is still in games.
Oh,
so
really?
yeah, if you're looking for like top flight games, like some of the stuff that's moving from console to or console or PC to iPad. I mean, Apple's got it. Android still does not.
Yeah.
But I think it's just a matter of time. I mean, with devices like this, with the popularity of Star Mobile at every level.
Go Star Mobile!
Gandang local brand.
Pero yung gusto ko dyan sa Sony, they incorporate yung features ng TV nila to the tablet. Like yung Bravia display.
That's so true.
Actually, so as a Z user, I actually noticed the big difference.
Yeah. My smartphone and this tablet, they both have IR blasters. And one of the things we've been doing lately, it feels so Tony. It's like a Tony Stark moment in Iron Man 2 when he takes control of all the screens. So when you're in a restaurant, I mean, anybody can change the channel, which is awesome.
Bumabalik na yung IR blasters. Kasi
dati nawala.
Kasi nawala yan for a time, Now it's coming back.
Parang tatanong si 6600.
With S4 also. And the HTC one also has, right?
I remember my Palm Pilot had one.
Yeah. And then nawala na lang siya. Now it's coming back.
Hindi pa sa mga ringtone dati na magpapalit na kayo.
Nalala ko yun. Kailangan magkadikit pa ng ganun.
I guess too many people have lost their remote controls under the couch. So there you go.
Okay, so again, this is the Sony Xperia
Tablet Z.
Tablet Z.
Yeah.
If you buy it from the Sony stores, yung meron lang yata nila is 16 plus LTE, wala yung 32 gig na Wi-Fi only. Pero the SRP is 37,990, but that's the SRP. But for some stupid reason, sorry people from Sony, they price it 2,000 pesos more pagdating sa stores. So yung 16 gig model with LTE, they sell for a ridiculous price of 37,990.
Wow.
Ridiculous.
They really have to be competitive in all areas, especially when you're going against the iPad, which is still the market leader.
Consider that you're more expensive than the iPad.
Alam mo, marami akong friends from Sony, sila Patrick and all, pero you guys should get your dealers in line. My God,
yes, that's quite
2,000 more? As if it's not expensive already at 35.
I think gone are the days na pag sinabi mo Sony, you can charge a premium. Kasi ang dami na lumabas eh.
Hindi pwede, pero huwag naman 37,990, di ba?
Konti na lang, you can already buy, dude, you can buy a MacBook.
MacBook Air na yun eh.
Yeah.
Tsaka Asus, di ba, pinag-usapan natin ito. Alam ko taga Asus ka, pero okay lang sabihin.
Yes.
Dagdagan mo lang na 1,000 yung 37,990. Pad phone Infinity na yun.
So it's really, I don't know. That has always been my question when I saw the price nung nilabas nila. I said, how are they gonna sell it here? I mean, in one store maybe, but I don't know how it's faring in other stores or in their official stores.
Yeah, so, I mean they've had the Tablet S out the door for a while.
Never picked up,
and I don't think it really picked up. And unless I think they do something about the price.
Yeah,
the product,
alam mo na yung solusyon dyan?
You see Vaio kasi.
Punta kayo sa guest natin kanina eh.
Nasa game store lang.
Yes.
Sayang kasi the product is good. And then the pricing is not, it's not enticing.
Pero nagkaroon din kami as Asus ng tablet na 37,990. That was the Transformer Infinity.
Mahal!
Pero 64 gig yung storage. Everything high-end.
Mahal! Hindi na waterproof yun. Okay, oras. May show pa si Mo. So, thank you again. Bilis na.
Nakarating lang ni Alora tapos na tayo.
So, it was a very packed episode. Maraming salamat sa mga guests natin. Kay Kim, kay Donaldin, and of course, kay Mike.
Tsaka sino man nagdala ng McDo?
Ako yung bumili niyan.
Ikaw ba?
Yan yung libre ko for...
Thank you. Thank you for your sponsorship.
Cheap.
Narinig niyo yan.
Sa award.
By the way, can we just say, sige para naman makita nyo nang galing sa akin. Thank you, Globe. At pinanalo nyo kami. O yan. Meron ako isang good word. Diba? Ano tayo? Peace tayo for one episode.
Ika-cut naman yun sa pag-upload sa YouTube. Okay lang.
Pero alam mo kung dapat tayo mag-thank you. Ako, kausap ko lang si Angelo before we go. A lot of the other people in the Tata Awards really asked their people to vote their supporters. Tayo, we never did As in, go lang.
No.
So ako, I'm just very, very thankful to the 15,000 people na hindi natin kinulit, na hindi natin ginawa ng contest, na nag-vote.
Kaya lang mga 3 tao lang yan, boto lang.
Napaulit-ulit. 1, 2, 3. Pero alam mo, seriously, maraming...
They were tweeting us, right?
A lot of people were tweeting, we were telling them na huwag na kayo bumoto, okay lang yan. Kasi it's a lost cause, gano'n.
So, lalo na nung lumabas yung episode na sinabi natin, ay wag na, dinadaya tayo. The next day, sipa tayo. Nakita niyo yun?
From 8,000 to 15,000.
Na-stuck tayo to 7 to 8,000.
So your passive-aggressive strategy.
Oo, kumahan. Yung hindi natin sila sabi bumoto sila, di ba?
Next year ulit, ha?
So next year ulit. Para magawa na natin yung multi-awarded podcast. Okay, with that, thank you everybody for joining us.
No comment ako dito.
Next week ulit. Next week we'll be announcing the initial details for the Unbox Gadget Expo. So abangan niyo. Which will happen dapat October. October.
Becky Nights, you're going down.
Thank you. Stay tuned for Good Times with Bo.
You're so bad.
Thank you.